milk, milk, first, milk, milk, first, milk.
You see the camera? What up, y'all? I decided why not do a mukbang with my son, the breakfast mukbang. So we're gonna be eating our cereal. I'm gonna have me some Captain Crunch, and Davion gonna have some Lucky Charms. You like Lucky Charms? What's your favorite cereal?
Lucky Charms.
It is.
And Pops.
And Pops. You really like Pops? He like Fruit Loops too.
Oh yeah, I do. Why that much?
Huh?
Why that much?
You want more or a little bit?
A little.
Well, you just gonna eat that. He get this 1% milk.
Because I'm allergic to almond milk.
Yeah, he can't have almond milk. He allergic to tree nuts. So, and I'm gonna have me some Captain Crunch. Oh, we just bought them these bowls right there.
Yeah.
I don't know what they did with these new bags. I ain't had cereal in a long time. I just recently started eating cereal again because I found out about almond milk. But these new bags be hard to open. You said your grace? Nope. They good? He wasting them. Let me put the milk up. Just leave it. Just eat.
No, I can see you. Put one in front. Put one down in front like this. Put one down in front like that, okay?
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
You like that? So how was your day today?
Good.
It was good. How old are you? Tell them how old are you?
4.
You just had a birthday? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Is that 4? I'm holding on 4. What that means? 5? 6?
That's 8.
I said 6.
They can't see your face. You ready to go to school? He has never been to school. We kept him home. Well, not school. All the way up into, don't waste that. All the way up into now, he could have went to daycare. We never took him to daycare.
What is that?
That's when all the kids go there and they have fun and play.
And is no school there?
They learn, so they learn. He really smart. He when he was 1, he already knew how to spell his name. My wife, she be working on him like all the schoolwork. Spell your name. How you spell your name?
D-A-V-I-O-N-D-I.
Yeah, he learned that when he was 1 year old how to spell his name. So he real smart, but he never been to school. He about to go to school though. Start in August. He going to school. You ready? Why you don't want to go to school?
Because I'm already smart.
You what?
Because I'm already smart.
You already smart? You still need to learn more. You still gotta learn. You don't want to learn? Yes, you do. You going to school. He going to school in August. You gonna drink all the milk. And you ain't gonna have no milk. He love milk too. You ready to have friends? You gonna meet friends and you gonna get to play. You gonna have playtime. You ready for that? You just not ready to go learn.
Did you hear me?
Yeah, he going to Head Start, early Head Start, I believe. I think that's what it's called. And they got one close to our house right now. Cause you're gonna waste it. You're gonna hit this. They got one close to our house that we checking out. Is right down the street. So we're gonna check that out. They had all 5-star reviews. So he gonna be most likely going up.
No.
Mm-mm.
No.
You gonna meet friends. You gonna have fun. You gonna have fun at school. When I went to school, I used to have fun. You know that? Don't you like to have fun? You don't want to have fun, Doctor. You going to school. Yes, you are. He going to school. He can say no all he want to. He going. Yes, you will. How many friends you got now?
I don't know.
What's your friend's name?
I don't know.
Yeah. See, you need to go to school so you can get some friends. Right now he really only play with like his cousins when they have like little events and stuff, and then when they go over to their house, play with his cousins and stuff like that. But in the Fortnite, he got friends on Fortnite. But outside of that, he ain't really got no friends. Dominique got friends because he go to school. You need friends.
On Fortnite?
No, outside of Fortnite. You got friends on Fortnite.
But Bird keep on saying it's my friends.
They both of y'all friends. Brother keep saying it's your friends. I mean his friends.
Mm-hmm.
Do you got a girlfriend? You don't. When you getting a girlfriend? I thought you already had a girlfriend. My brother, he was showing him when he went to my mama-in-law's house, he was showing them how to get girls. So they went to my mother-in-law's house, and Dominique ran to my mother-in-law and was like, Keyshawn taught him how to get girls, and she was saying, "You not ready for girls yet." And he was like, but I am ready." You ready for a girlfriend? Now he want to change it because he on camera. What's your girlfriend name?
I don't know.
You ready to have a girlfriend? No. Hey boy, you no more milk while you drinking it all.
I drank some now.
You drunk it pretty much all. How much money you have? His birthday just passed. I counted it. He got, dang. I just told him right before we started this video how much he had.
What is it?
It's $39.
That's a lot.
He got $39 for his 4th birthday.
And I got the gift card.
Mm-hmm. So he got more than $39. I don't know how much on the gift card, but my brother and sister-in-law, they gave him a PlayStation gift card so he can buy what on the
200 V-Bucks. Or rubber friends. Because somebody said, give me something out of
don't touch that. That's dirty.
Somebody said, give me something out of the item shop. And I said, I don't have no V-Bucks.
They said that?
Mm-hmm.
But now you got V-Bucks. But you don't, You gotta spend your own V-Bucks
Why?
so you can get you some skins. You don't want skins?
I want skins.
Oh,
So I have to use them on my thing. On that.
you're the PlayStation.
On Robert PlayStation and my PlayStation.
Yep. He still don't sleep in their room. Why?
Okay.
You still dropping cereal? This boy, he is a baby.
Why?
Cause you still sleep with your parents. Why you still sleep with us?
Because I'm scared.
No, you not. Every time we put him in their room where he's supposed to be sleeping in the middle of the night, he wake up and coming up. And he always have to be touching somebody because he was breastfed too. He always have to be touching somebody. If I'm in the bed, like say this morning, my wife and Dominique, they left. She went inside the office. So it was just me and him in the bed this morning. I was asleep. He all touching me, all up on me, hugging me. Come over some this way. He all up on me. Soon as I wake up and get out the bed, maybe like 5 minutes later, because he ain't got nobody to touch in the bed, he wake up. He have to be like, have to have his feet on you, hands on some part of his body, gotta be touching somebody. If not, he gonna wake up. Why is that? Huh?
Screwdriver.
What you got to say to them?
Peace out.
You done? You don't want to talk to them? That's your family. Everybody on there, they were saying happy birthday to you. Everybody. What you got to say to them?
Thank you.
You happy they wish you a happy birthday? Everybody was telling you happy birthday.
And even my cousins.
Yep. Everybody.
Where's my cousins out there?
They at school. Well, you need to be. You want to go see your cousins? Because you got to go to school. You want to go see them? Okay. When we finish, you're going to put on your clothes so you can go to school. Okay? Didn't you say you want to see your cousins?
I don't want to go to school.
He's going to school. Eat your food.
I'm going to drink all the milk.
You don't want no more cereal? He always do that. He never eat all his food. It can be anything. Chick-fil-A, whatever. He never eat all his food. Where you going? That's what he love to do. That tablet.
Only I want to do is the tablet because everything else is boring.
Come up here.
And we're starting out as job melters. As you can see, the reason why the crew had to get jobs is look.
Who is that?
Full hat. You just gotta learn the surrounding
Wait.
around it. All right,
Cut it
so
off for a
our
second.
first
We're
job
going
as
to end the
job
video and
melters.
then you can watch it, okay?
When we end the video,
Say it now. End it.
peace out, Billy Bobby Boo.
All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed...
I'm going to cut it off.
Yeah, stay right there. If y'all enjoyed this video, then smash that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always remember, you
are a king. You are a prince. and you are little bitty princess Barbies. I'm gonna cut it off.
All right. He forgot Queens. He always forget Queens, but we love y'all.